dark.
That pink's gone, isn't it?
For the most part, yeah. The sun's dropped down. Now look.
Oh my!
That cloud is blowing that way. That's blowing that way. Those are going that way.
Yeah, I think we're in. I think
like
something's on top of it.
Can you
Look
see,
at
can you
this.
go upstairs and look from that way? Is there anything that direction?
You know what? We might be. It might be on top of us.
See how
We're in the eye. Oh.
like that cloud's going that way, and those are going.
I think there's rotation right above us.
And look, that's now coming more towards us instead of west. Don't you think?
Yes, Sally. I think you're right. I think it's right above us.
It's like,
I think a couple of fronts are meeting. Is that rain or hail?
Rain, but it is. We're in a vortex.
Look
It's
how
going
black.
this way.
Look, Rosie, look how here. Look how black that is.
Yeah, Sally. I think we need to get in the bathroom.